Okay, finally got here my UV light, scuba diving light for Tovatec. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look at this. Tovatec UV light. Wow. It is big. It's definitely a big lamp. It comes packed really well. Wow, look at this. I mean, feels good in the hand, but definitely it's a big torch. Has the button here. This is the beam, no? Wide and narrow, I imagine. Wow. Interesting how this works, but this is the size. I mean, if you compare it with a Dr. Seuss book, it's the same length. Wow, nice. Not sure how you pressure safety valve. How do you? Okay, you use unscrew the cap. Interesting. They give you a battery. I mean, it goes like that. Very nice. Very nice quality. It's big. It's definitely big. Oh, definitely purple. You're supposed not to look this directly in your eyes because this is ultraviolet radiation and will really mess your eyes. It is nice. I like the quality. I like the marketing that is purple. Tovatec UV light. It's pretty dim. I guess it's only for night diving. Maybe it's the battery that is low, but it does come with a charger here. That's why I bought it, because it comes with a battery charger. Oh, cool! Look, it comes with a thing for your hand. And the charger for the battery. Pretty cool. Okay. I mean, there's not much to show. Charger, hand grip. If you wanna put 3 AAAs instead of the charging battery, I don't know why would you do that if they give you the battery charger. And 2 spare O-rings, I guess. A silica gel, a tight. Pretty cool design. Pretty cool design. It's big. Let me show you my gamma flashlight. I just don't know why they make it so big. Look, compared to my gamma light. See? They just make it so big. I don't know why they needed to make it that big. And it's not even that bright. Look at my gamma. You can see right there. Look how bright it is, right? Compared to this, you don't even see. You put it like this, you see, but look. Oh, it's so cool. Look, it has a green color here. I guess I'm gonna test it at night and load another video, but now you get idea. Gamma light, Tovatec light, but it's gonna be so fun to dive at night with this lamp. Okay, now you know what to expect and you have something to compare it to. Heavy. I'm not happy. It's so big, but it's okay.